Hey guys, welcome to Men's Grooming Advice. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe for new videos every single week. Also take a moment to look at the 100 plus other videos I have with skincare product reviews, hints and tips. So hit the subscribe, join the community. Essences. Essences is a term that the West has sort of pinched and put onto a load of basic toners, but in Korea, an essence is a particular different step from a toner. It tends to be slightly thicker, have an awful lot more active ingredients. Many times they're fermented ingredients. An essence in Korean skincare is something that's very much a staple of the things like the 10-step routines, but it can also be incorporated into smaller step routines. You don't need to do the whole routine to get the benefit of an essence. But essences can be quite expensive. Most of them, as I say, the proper ones are in Korea and you need to import them, and it's not easy to get hold of. So I've been lusting, basically, for want of a better term, over the Missha Time Renewal First Essence. It's been loved to death by skincare bloggers and vloggers for the last couple of years. I've seen so many comments on how good it is in blogs. I've never got round to buying it because to me it almost seemed like I was paying £30-40 for almost a bottle of water. But I did my research, went back, and coupled with the fact that on Yes Style the normal £32 price had been reduced to £24 in the sale, I decided to go for it. So I finally grabbed myself this, the Time Revolution First Treatment Essence. Now, this is a fermented essence, so this is taken from fermented yeast concentrate, which means that it's very, very healing for the skin. It's got so many good properties for the skin, but because it's fermented yeast, you should avoid this if you have fungal acne. If you've got fungal acne, fermented yeast products like this are a no-no for you, so best avoided. It includes niacinamide, it's got ceramides in there, there's sodium PCA as well, which helps brighten and help moisture. I found this particularly calming when using stronger retinoids. So when you start using slightly stronger retinoids, you start to purge slightly, your skin starts to react. This is perfect to use. Here in the UK, we actually had a lovely summer this year, which meant even though using good quality sunscreen, as I always do, as I'm sure you always use sunscreen when you go outside, don't you? I still got, the slight burning on tingling that you can get from your cheekbones when you've been out in the hot sun. So what I would do with this is I pour this into some cotton buds, just lay out on the sofa and just pop the cotton buds on my cheeks, leave it there for 10-15 minutes or longer if the cat decides to sleep on my chest and I can't sit up. No smell whatsoever. It's slightly thicker than water, but only just noticeable. There are two ways to apply an essence. You can pop it in a cotton pad like you would a toner and wipe it across your skin. I personally don't do that. Main reason for that is I feel that you end up losing most of the product into your cotton pad. Instead, what I do is I shake a few drops into the palm of my hand. I cup my hand together, so I coat both hands and then press it onto my face. They do constantly revise this. Every time they refine it, it goes up another number. So I think they're on the 5th generation at the moment. So when you're buying, just be aware of what generation it is. So try and get the newest one if you can do. Obviously some stores online might be trying to sell older stock. This is a beautiful product. Wish I tried it before. Definitely highly recommended. Unless, as I say, you have fungal acne, in which case please avoid it. Highly recommended. As I say, normally £32 to buy in the UK from Yes Style. I bought it at £24 on sale. I get the impression with Yes Style there's always some sort of promotional sale going on. Highly recommended to add it to your routine. Give it a go. Let me know in the comment section how you get on. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. The more there are of us in the community, the more we can help each other look the best versions of ourselves. I've been Bear Clark, you've been amazing, and I'll see you again real soon.